Hello, it's good to just be out walking. I really want to go into Lane Bryant, but all that's going to do is want to make me buy something, and that's not in my budget. So my most important thing on my birthday is to celebrate what I got going on. Oh, that's crumble cookies. Everybody talks about those crumble cookies. Oh, look at that. And that's all. That's the Replay Toy Store, like video games and stuff. Oh, and you know, we love us some Sally Beauty Supply. Oh, they got some Black History Month going on with Sally's. All right now, Sally's. Hold on a second. At this crucial time in our nation's history, it's very important to remember to... Oh, it's party season. Is it? Are they 12? Or maybe I just can't see because it's... Oh, they went out of business. Okay. Which is fine. Because Miss Debra loves her some Party City candy, okay? And that's fine. But they did go out of business. That's unfortunate. We need us some Party City. So, anywho. So, we got the Catos. And they have such lovely clothes, too. Oh, that's really good. So, we're not going in there either. But there will be times for me to go shopping. This is just not one of them. Okay, oh, that's so pretty. Oh, and that's, they look like Sally's, but it's like a lash store or something or another. It's Cosmos. That's what it's called. Oh, that sun feels so good. Okay. Oh, yes. It's good to be out. Let me turn around so y'all can see how nice it is to get out. Getting vitamin D, it boosts up your endorphins. It boosts up your spirit. It makes you feel good. And working on your mobility journey, your weight loss journey, baby, you're going to get there, okay? Okay? You're going to get there. And you're going to get there one day at a time, 1 minute at a time, 1 hour at a time, enjoying the process, okay? Yes, you are. So we're going to Sephora, and they moved to the Kohl's store. And we're going to go on in here. Hi. Oh, goodness. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, let's see.
Do you need me to get the air door?
Oh, no. Yeah, I think I do need you to get that door. Oh, my goodness. Thank you so much. Oh. Okay. Okay. Thank you. You're so kind. Let me... Okay. Thank you. They do. They really do. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Kohl's is a nice store. I've never been able to wear a thing in here. Hi. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. But they have really nice stuff in Kohl's. They have really nice baths and all that stuff. All that stuff. But honey, I'm going to get... Oh, hi. She getting the dish set. Good. How you doing? I am going to Sephora. I'm going to show you Sephora. It's really pretty. See, can you see it? So it's very nice. It's very large. I'm trying to find the middle part so I can just enter in the widest section. Even though really my wheelchair can fit anywhere around. So, oh, that's the clearance section. Okay. Okay, that's NARS. How many Sephora's got going on? Saley. Okay. They got a little line going on too. That's okay. Oh, I can smell all the... Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? Sing happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear
Debra
beautiful.
Ann.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm gonna test these out and I'm gonna give my birthday surprise.
Awesome.
Thank you, darling. Oh, they have the samples. Armani. That's nice. That sounds like a mint Burberry. Okay. I think I heard that in one of Beyonce's songs. So that means I can spray on it. Dolce and Gabbana. I seen that on Tyler Perry. Gucci. Marc Jacobs. What about Tom Ford? Tom Ford probably had their own. They have all kind of makeup samples. Perfume sample over there. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, it's breakable. Grace. Okay. And we don't have no money to be buying no Valentino. Okay. Let's look at Tom Ford. Because my friend, she buys Tom Ford. Oh, that's my thick best friend on YouTube, Janine. Prada Candy. Look at Tom Ford. I think it's that's Woody Spices. That's a man. Well, I don't want that because it looks more like for men. Oh, Armani coat. He is sexy. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, these are all the men. Oh, Ray Bond has a man. Oh, look at that. $1 million gold. That's wonderful. Look at that. He is fine. Okay. He is fine. Wait a minute. Why these men? Oh, I guess these are all men. Let me scoot on past this and go on to the. Let me see. These men look good. Look at that black man right there doing that Ralph L'Oreal. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's an Asian flavor right there. Oh my. Oh me, oh my. I didn't skip past the women. Okay, that's all black women advertising. This one right here. Warm florals. Alien goddess. Intense. Okay, well let me check this out. Oh, well, I don't know how to spray those. Valentino. Born in Roma. Okay, for her, for him, for them. Yeah. Oh, that's Julia Roberts. They call them. Okay. Philosophy, a new generation of grace. Okay. Amazing grace. That's how sweet the sound. Let me just spray that. Oh, I can kind of tell when it feels kind of good. When it feels kind of airy, after it settles, it's going to smell real good. I can smell the alcohol in it. Yeah, it's good. That's hit me with your best shot. Okay, let me get out the way before I knock something down. And they be calling the police on me because I can't afford to pay for it. Shot.
Are you ready?
Hit me with your best shot. Hit me with your best shot. Are you look at the transfer proof serum foundation. Okay. That's KYD. They got a whole brand for black folks. Yeah, okay. This beauty blender is $20. Okay. They've been expensive for years. Why don't you hit me with your best shot? Let me tell you, the Sephora brand is actually scrumptious. It's actually scrumptious. Okay. Hey! Okay. Alrighty. Were you able to get that on me? Yeah. Okay. So, this is your confirmation order. Laura Mercier. I hear a lot about her. It's natural dewy. Natural moisturizer dewy. Okay. I have to research what I'm gonna get before I get. I just can't come here and just start buying stuff. Because honey, you'll spend all your mortgage money trying to buy some makeup. Hello, it's my birthday. I came to get my birthday gift. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Lip kit or $250 250 points to your account.
Okay, 250 points, which means that's up $10.
That would get you halfway to that $10.
Oh. Okay, what's this one?
And that one comes with a lip liner and then a plumping lip serum.
So you put the lip serum on before you put your lipstick on? Or you can wear the serum by itself?
Right, you can wear it as a lipstick.
It's like a ruby?
It's like a mauve, yeah. It's
Like
really
a mauve?
pretty,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, I'll take that.
You want to do that one?
Yes,
Let's
I'll
do
take
it.
that one. Yeah.
You got any plans today for your birthday?
Well, my birthday's February 11th. My nieces came over. We always have a good thing. Honey, I lost weight for my birthday. I went to my workout session. Okay, that's what I did for my birthday. I'm coming to get my free gifts.
If you don't mind.
Sure, my email on the pin bag?
Yes.
Okay, great. And my birthday present is to lose weight. I lost 10 pounds last week.
Well, hey, let me tell you.
Okay, thank you. You're so kind. And I actually have over 500,000 viewers, so I'm recording now. So I have gotten some press kits from one company, so I need to be getting folks. Of course, I'm not ready to be an influencer because I stopped wearing makeup for a while. As I lose weight, I'm gonna ease back into my makeup because you don't have to do all of that at one time. You can take your time. Okay, let's see. Oh, AWK.
That's the only tattoo that I literally did not.
Okay, I don't see the @ sign. Can you help me, please? Okay, and that's just at yahoo.com. Help me with that.
Okay, so it's AWKAABA.
Then at then yahoo.com.
Yeah. Perfect.
Thank you so much, darling. Do you have any more samples of anything? Okay, because I'm all about the samples.
I know.
And so,
I love a good sample.
I know. I love your hair like that. Yes. It's good to ease back into the things. What I'm really into now is fragrance. It's trying to really get my fragrance on for the season. That's my new thing. Okay.
A little eye cream.
Okay.
Fridays, why
Okay.
not?
Okay. It came up and everything?
Yes, it sure did.
Oh,
And you enjoy your birthday?
thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, Sephora. So I'll be back next month. So where's Starbucks? In the coffee shop? In the bookstore? No, across the street. Yes. Okay. Okay. Well, good. Thank you, darling. Okay, thank you. What is Miss Scary that? I gotta show her my tennis shoes. She came in fast. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. It smells so good right here. Thank y'all. Okay, you too. So, my job today was to come, experience, and leave. So I spent $5.40. Oh, new baby alert. Oh. Okay. And that's what I'm gonna do. I think it's close to allergy time. My eye is watering. And so, oh, thank you, darling. I appreciate that. Have a good day. Thank you. Now, there's Drake's right there. Did y'all know Drake had a restaurant in Clarksville, Tennessee? And he does. And I am just really enjoying myself out here. So I think I'm gonna just, I'm sure. Excuse me, what time is it? Okay, thank you. I have 2 hours. Okay, well, what is we gonna do? We is gonna go over to the academy and look. So this is the street where I'm gonna show y'all. This is where they're building a new road from my street, and it's gonna come out right there. Even though right now you can't tell, it's just woods area. But so that street's gonna come out right there. It feels good to be out. Oh, I know what's making my eye water. It's the smell of all those perfumes. And so you have to be wary as you get older of allergens. But the more you feed yourself good food, the more you move, the more you feed your brain good positivity, the better off you are going to be. Okay? So, I am going to say thank you for rocking with me. I want you to always be motivated to think the best thoughts. Learn. Half of the problems that we have is that we're not learning. So we're just scared, or we're paranoid because there's a goal that we want, that we're just not equipped with the proper information. And you don't take information from one source. Keep getting information, because we have a myriad of information out there on everything, and keep working until you get to the person, to the resource that suits what makes sense to you. Okay? So y'all have a beautiful day. Peace and hair grease. Let me twirl for you behind Drake's restaurant. I'll probably go to Drake's too. Okay. Check them out. Okay, bye-bye. Peace.